Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Now we are going to discuss a case of ethics, professional ethics for the advocates, professional ethics for the judges. So everybody, they have got certain ethics. Morals are to the society, ethics is to the profession. When once you join a profession, once you join a department, you have to keep up the morale of the department. Otherwise, it doesn't look nice. So here, yesterday, it has come in press, that is in Visakhapatnam, that a judge or a magistrate, she is facing charges under section 307 Indian Penal Code. Incidentally, her sister, she is an SI attached to VR, and she is also facing the same charges for attacking or for inciting their people to attack a real estate broker by name Rakesh. How these things happen? How awkward it will be. She is a judge. She is 15th AMM. Her office is located in Bhimili. And now she has to stand in the so-called court as an accused. And if necessary, she has to go to the jail also. The authority who sends people to jail, the authority who gives judgment, the authority who sits in the pious seat of the magistrate, now she has to stand as an accused. How awkward it will be. This is what the judges or the magistrates, they have to think before doing something. So before doing an act, that's why mens rea, rise, actus rise, always we have been telling you. I need not tell you once again. Just one word I will tell you. I am an elder man. We all know I am aged about 69 years. So before telling you something to the students, I must use the words very cautiously. Because you people, you think that whatever I am telling is gospel truth, or that I am an intelligent person, I will be stating so many case laws like that. So I have to keep up that. So my words or my lectures or my videos should be inspiring. I should not tell gossip. I should not tell my own stories. I should not tell falsehood. That too. As a judge, she has to maintain the dignity and decency, decorum. No doubt, personal problems will be there. Do you think that nobody is immune from personal problems? Definitely. Now, coming to the facts of the case. This is a case registered in Maharanapeta or One Town Police Station, Visakhapatnam, under sections 307, most important section 307, that with 34, against the judge Vijayalakshmi, her sister Nagalakshmi, and her husband Mr. Rajesh, and 3 others. So what happened is, no doubt the justice or judge has got some disputes or land disputes with this Rakesh, who is a land estate broker or real estate broker. Nowadays, you know, Vizag is developing like anything. So therefore, the rate should have gone up. Some dispute has cropped up between them. Right. So he is not hearing the words of the judge. So therefore, she wanted to teach him a lesson. As a judge, she can't do anything. If a case is there, she can give conviction, but there is no case against him. So ultimately, she consulted her sister, who is an SI. Previously, she worked in Anandapuram and as crime SI. I think now she is in Via. So consulted her, and ultimately they wanted to teach him a lesson. Of course, their intention is not to kill him, but their intention is to assault him or attack him or to cause injuries to him, so that he will learn a lesson. So in this connection, this SI used a constable. I think his name is Ganesh. Pramod. I'm sorry. His name is Pramod. So they used the constable. This SI instigated or advised Pramod to get the services of local gundas and teach a lesson. So since the SI, who is a boss, so this man yielded to her. Then he contacted 2 rowdies near KGH, who are residing near KGH, and they planned. And this man used to travel, Rakesh used to travel along that road on fateful day, that is on June 18th. So they attacked him, and actually they beat him with iron rods, as a result of which he received multiple injuries. He was admitted in the hospital. He gave a report. Of course, he could not just he said they are suspects. And the police took it as a challenge, and they have inquired, and they have taken the CCTV footage. Ultimately, they could pick up the constable as well as one of the rowdies. When once the rowdy is brought, what is he has immediately told the entire thing. When the constable was confronted, he also said that due to the ill advice of the SI and the so-called judge, things happened like this. Now, case registered against both of them. Constable and the rowdies have been arrested. The husband of this magistrate, Mr. Rajesh, he was also he was also arraigned as an accused, and now these two sisters are absconding. See the fate. So that's why you have to maintain ethics. You have to be professional. No doubt, everybody will be having a problem. There is a way that you are a judge. As a judge, you should think in the logical way, legal way, and you must know how to circumvent the law in a legal way, but not this direct method of attacking. This is an act to be done by rowdies, but not by a judge. Anyway, she has to face the result, she has to face the court, but it is a bad incident to be discussed normally on judges. Previously referred to my video number, I think it is 781. So, Himachal Pradesh acting Chief Justice daughter, lecturer, she was also involved in a murder case. She was arrested. So like that, of course, here there is a different story. No doubt, she is the daughter of a judge. Here, judge is directly involved. So it creates news value. The people think normally your level or magistracy will be demoralized, will be lower. Therefore, you must treat very cautiously before taking a step. So since we are also in the same field as advocates, so therefore you are also supposed to take guidelines or a cue from this incident. That's why I have made this video. Thank you very much.